Hello there! Welcome to another RobocraftX video. Today I'm going to be talking about the conductivity system and changes that I think could be made to improve it. So let's get right into that. So basically, my main complaint with the conductivity system is right now it's just way too simple. You can barely do anything with it. In fact, on screen I'll show you. Right now, I'm building the most complex system that you can currently build in the current conductivity system with 2 inputs and 2 outputs. This is the most complex it gets. Now, you could perhaps say that you think this is a little more complex. However, that's basically just them not being connected, right? And so if I want to do something relatively simple, like have this input right here connect to both of these outputs, and this input only connect to this output, it's impossible. So let's say I wanted to do something like this, right? Well, you might be like, alright, that works. This is connected to that. This is connected to that. Wrong. This goes through here, it goes up through here, and then it connects to this. And they're basically the same as if I had just done this. Right? And that's an issue. So I'm going to be taking you into GIMP, which is a free photo editor tool, irrelevant, just to show off some different ideas that I've come up with myself, and actually one idea that I heard from someone and I thought was really cool. However, it will be my own take on it a little bit. So into that. So I'm in the photo editor and I've got this nice gray background. And I'm going to draw the structure I have in game right now. So we have our inputs. We have our conductivity lines of aluminum. And then we have our outputs, right? And so you can basically cut any of these off with a non-conductive like rubber, right? So if I put rubber here, electricity won't travel past this point or past this point. Okay. But you still realize that it's impossible to get this to connect to both of these while having this only connect to this one. Now, my first idea or suggestion perhaps of ways to make it possible to do this is with a semi-conductive. And so basically my idea of how a semi-conductive would work is this little pink thing. Imagine these red lines are electricity. So the semi-conductive would basically take an input, right? And only output in one direction, or something like that. So the electricity comes through here, it only gets outputted in this direction, right? Not in this direction, so there's no output from here. Alright, so now this one is allowed to go straight across, and also branch off down here, and it also comes out this direction. So it goes through here, it comes out this direction, like that. However, you notice this does not come out this direction. That doesn't happen. It doesn't happen. Alright? So, now you can see this one is connected here, and here, and this one, this lever, is only connected here. That's one way to do it. So you can actually see that the solution to the conductivity problem is we need variability. Right now, it's either connected or not connected. That's not variable. That's not interesting. You can't do anything interesting with that. So another solution that I heard from a fellow I don't remember exactly who it was. It might have been Mr. Rotor. It might have been someone else. No, I can't say for sure. But it's basically if two machines touch, so say there's like a hinge here and a hinge here, right? And then these two machines touch each other, right? Then there's like a spark, right? there's like a spark that happens. Pew pew sparks. Okay. And then these are connected, and so the output of this lever will actually be able to travel into this and connect to its parts. And there's so many different things you could do with that. You could have a motor here that like has an conductive bar attached that spins around, and then like a hinge that like flops down onto the bar every few seconds, right? And then off this you have like a piston, right? Like a piston, and the piston would extend and retract every now and then just because of this. And that's cool too. The person who I originally heard it from said that it should happen between vehicles. However, I think it should only happen between connected vehicles. So only inside of one vehicle should this happen, not if other vehicles touch each other, because that would cause all kinds of wonky problems, and it's probably much easier to calculate if it's only happening on a single vehicle and not between vehicles. Anyway, so that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Like the video. Don't click like twice, but if you do click like twice, you must have double liked it. So like you should like subscribe, dog, and then like comment, and then like again because you unliked it by clicking like twice. But then also, if you want notifications, you can click the little bell icon, but that's kind of gay, honestly. I mean, not no homophobe. Anyway, bye. Hope you enjoyed the content. Tell me your thoughts.